In this video, I'm going to show you how to force someone to update your app. So to do this, what we're going to do is going to go to Editor, and then we're going to go to Features. First of all, what we're going to do is going to be links to the actual app, to the actual store. So we're going to go to Links. There's Link, and then the Links. Make sure you use links. So in here, what we're going to do, update Android app. Because you're going to do Android and you do iOS and everything like that. So first of all, let's go. We need the URL. So where are we going to send them? Let's go to a Google Play Store. We're going to go into our app. This is the one that we're going to need them to do an update on. So we're going to go up and we're going to click and copy. And then this is where we're going to be sending them to. And you can do different ones here. I like to do, we can actually see which one do we want to do. Click on Save. So now, as you can see over here, it says Update Android App. So let's actually design. Click on Design. We want a background picture. And let's click this one here. And if they're going to use it in landscape mode, we need an image there as well. And click Save. And let's see changes. So here's Update Android App. What I want to do is I actually want to go. And if you go back in here, you have to go down to Manage. So I'm going to hit this plus sign. So you can see there's no picture over here. I'm going to add a picture. You don't have to add a picture if you don't want to. I'm going to add one. And let's see. Let's just use this one. And hit Save. As you see, now we have an image over here. I'm going to go to Settings. You can do an enable search, but there's only going to be 2 in here, so we don't need to have them search for it. Page design, as you can see, is a list. This here, you can see it goes all the way across. I'm going to actually choose Card and hit Save. As you can see now, it doesn't go all the way to the edge. I'm going to go back to Settings, and then I'm going to add a cover image just to make it look decent. And then save that. So now it looks just a little more professional. So now that we've done that and we've added the links to it, I'm going to change this to Update Apps. So now that is all saved. I'm going to actually uncheck it from the menu, because you can see links, which it'll change to Update Apps. So I'm going to uncheck that. See changes. So as you can see, it's not here anymore, because you don't want them to sit there and update your app every single time. So now that we've built the links to the apps, what we want to do is go back to Features, scroll down. I'm going to find Smart Ads. So let's click on that. So let's build a campaign. I'm going to call it Update App. In the text field, Add that in there. And we need to add an image, not that one. So update now, and then the button height. We're just going to show you. So I don't know if it's going to show you in the preview over here. It's not going to. But the button height, you can actually go in and you can change this. It's going to have a button where they need to update it. You can put it any way you want. So what we need them to do is we need them to click on, you go in under the link, go to update apps. That's why we changed from links to update apps. Then hide the close button, because what we need to do is we need to force them to do this. So to continue to use the app, they have to do it. So we're going to check hide the close button. You can change colors and everything like that if you want. And then we hit submit. And again, we don't want smart ads down here, so we're going to uncheck available from menu. So now if I hit see changes, you can see it's gone. So now that you've built that, the most important part of it is once that's built, go to manage campaign, hit the down arrow. You can see that it's actually on. If you need to edit it for any reason, you can go into edit and change your wordings, your pictures and stuff like that. What we want to do is we want to click on settings. So we're going to do a start date, and actually we're going to start it today. And we want to run this one. I like to run it for about a month at least. You can change it to what you want. So now what we need to do is there's different things down here you can do. You can do app version, which is what we're going to be doing here in just 1 second. You can have it so it pushes out an ad or pushes out anything at a certain time of the day. You can do any time of the week, or a frequency cap on how often or how many times you want it to do it. So I'm going to actually do app version. So what this is going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. These so far I have 4 different ones. So currently the 1.5 I have submitted that to the App Store, but it's not active at the moment. So what this is going to do is I'm going to choose the 1.2 for now, because the 1.2 is active on the Google Play Store. So if I go up to the Google Play Store and I scroll down, current version is 1.2. So I'm going to put this on 1.2. So if anybody who has the app and they have the version 1 or the 1.1, what it's going to do is it's going to force them to update to the 1.2. Once I have my app active into the Google Play Store, then I would come in here and change it to the 1.5. I don't want to do that now because it's not going to. So currently what I'm going to do is I'm going to force them to update to version 1.2. Now, over here you have what devices you want them to do. You can do iOS, Android, or both. I'm going to have it on both of them. And for some reason in here, you can't. It doesn't show you which one's linked. We're going to get the dev team to work on that. So I'm going to click on both right there, and I'm going to hit save. So that's it. Even if they do not have the, they don't have to update the app to get this app, which is really weird. But so the next time that they actually go and they open up this app on their phone, it's going to automatically come up. It's going to say, hey, we have an update available. We need you to go in and update it. So that's it. That's how you do force someone to update the apps. Of course, again, you build your links first, then you go and create your smart ad. You can actually, if you need to do more smart ads, you just click on it up here, and then you can create a new campaign. So if you're using smart ads or something else, that's what you can do. So that's how you force somebody to update your app, and they can't use it until they actually update it to the version that this is telling them to update it. So if they already have version 1.2 on their phone, it's not going to come up and ask them to update. But if we change this to 1.5, it will ask them to update it to the 1.5. If they're using version 1 and you are skipping over the 3 of them, that is fine. They do not have to go from 1 to 1.2 to 1.5 or whatever it is. It'll automatically download all the updates that you've already done. If you have any questions or have any issues, just go to the support there, open up a support ticket, and we can help you out. Thanks for watching.